At the final stage of our manufacturing line, we believe that superior products deserve superior protection. This video showcases our rigorous industrial packaging protocol designed for high-end aluminum window and door systems. Our process begins with the precision placement of high-density shock-absorbing cardboard and reinforced corner guards. To ensure maximum durability, we utilize advanced heat-shrink wrapping technology. This creates a tight, moisture-proof, and dust-resistant seal that secures the product against vibrations and scratches during long-distance international transit. Details define quality. We understand that a premium architectural solution deserves a perfect delivery. By maintaining these rigorous packaging standards, we guarantee that every unit arrives at your project site in the same pristine, factory-fresh condition it left our facility. As a premier global supplier, we guarantee that every product meets the highest protection standards for international logistics. Whether facing long ocean voyages or rugged overland transit, we deliver more than just advanced architectural solutions. We deliver peace of mind for every partner.